Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to tween a car driving animation in Krita, including spinning wheels. First, group each wheel layer into its own separate group so that each wheel has its own individual group. Then select one of the wheel groups and click the small down arrow at the bottom of the Layers tab and select Add Transform Mask. Click on the Transform Mask layer and go to the Animation Curves tab. Select your starting keyframe and click the Scalar Property tool with the plus sign. Then, select the keyframe where you want the tweening animation to stop. Now select the Transform tool and rotate the wheel to give it a spinning motion. Then unselect the Transform tool. Go to the Animation Curves tab and go to where the tweening animation will stop. Click on the end of the blue line and pull it up to increase the speed of the wheel rotation. In this case, I am going to pull it up to the 3000 line. Then click play to preview the wheel tweening animation. Now go back to the Layers tab and select your second wheel group. Add a Transform Mask layer the same way as before. Click on the Transform Mask layer and go to the Animation Curves tab. Select the starting keyframe and click the Scalar Property tool with the plus sign. Then select the keyframe where the tweening animation will stop. Select the Transform tool and rotate the second wheel to give it the same spinning motion. Unselect the Transform tool and go to the Animation Curves tab. Pull the end of the blue line up to the 3000 line again. Then click play to preview both wheels spinning. Now that both wheels are done, select all the wheel layers, including their transform masks, along with the car body layers, and group them all together. Click on the new group layer and select the small down arrow and add a transform mask layer. Click on the Transform Mask layer and select the Transform tool. Drag the car to where you want it to start driving from. Then, unselect the Transform tool. Now go to the Animation Curves tab and select the starting keyframe. Click the Scalar Property tool with the plus sign, then select the keyframe where the tweening animation will stop. Select the Transform tool and drag the car to where you want it to stop. Then unselect the Transform tool. Click play to preview the full driving animation with the spinning wheels and the car moving across the screen. When you are happy with everything, go ahead and render your animation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching.